cylinders 2. A vertical cylinder 50 mm diameter, 60 mm axis is cut by a cutting plane passing through the center of the axis making 40 degrees to HP. Cutting plane bisecting the axis or passing through the center of the axis making 40 degrees to HP. How many generators does it cut? All the 12. First of all, you have to darken the boundary lines below the cutting plane to indicate that the top is removed and the bottom is kept. Which portion you will keep and which portion you will remove, that is an issue. Which portion we will remove? We will remove a portion. We will remove a portion, or we will remove the portion so that after removal you can see the fresh cut surface. In this case, you have to remove this, then only you can see the fresh surface in that plan. If you remove this and look from the top, can you see the fresh surface? No. That's the usual concept. We will remove the portion which can be removed so that you can see the fresh cut surface. That portion which will help you to see the fresh cut surface. We will remove that portion which will help you to see the fresh cut surface. ഇവിടെ ഈ ടോപ്പ് കളഞ്ഞാലേ ഫ്രഷ് സർഫസ് കാണാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. ബോട്ടം കളഞ്ഞിട്ട് മുകളിൽ നിന്ന് നോക്കിയാൽ ഫ്രഷ് സർഫസ് കാണാൻ പറ്റില്ല. അപ്പോൾ ടോപ്പാണ് റിമൂവ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. വലിയ പോർഷൻ ഇരിക്കുകയും ചെറിയ പോർഷൻ കളയുന്നുള്ളതല്ല കൺസെപ്റ്റ്. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് നോട്ട് ദ കൺസെപ്റ്റ്. Keeping the big portions there and remove the small portion, that is not the concept. The concept is remove that portion with which you can see the fresh cut surface. That's the concept. Okay. Now 12 points. 1 dash 2 dash 3 dash 4 dash 5 dash 6 dash 7 dash 8 dash 9 dash 12 dash on the circumference around the body. അവിടെ mark ചെയ്യരുത്. You have to mark them around the body in an order. Then come to the plan. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Hatch them. What you have done? You have drawn the sectional elevation. You have completed the sectional plan. Now, since the cutting plane is inclined like this, you have to look perpendicular to the cut surface to see the true shape. Cutting plane ചെരിഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത് കൊണ്ട് cutting plane perpendicular ആയിട്ട് നോക്കിയാലേ true shape കാണാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. That means you have to look from this side. That means you have to draw a true shape here. How do you draw? Draw an x1 by 1. Draw an x1 by 1 parallel to the cutting plane. x1 by 1. Draw projectors through all points in this elevation. Draw projectors through all points where the cutting plane cut the object in the elevation perpendicular to x1 by 1. 1, 2, 12, 3, 11, 4, 10, 5, 9, 6, 8 and 7. All these are perpendicular. Now, 1 is this much distance below xy and same is the distance of 7. Take that distance and mark on the projector through 1 to get 1, 1 and through the projector 7 to get 7, 1. 2 is this far away. 2, 1, 6, 1. 3, 3, 1, 5, 1. 4, 4, 1. 8, 8, 1, 12, 1. 9, 9, 1, 11, 1, 10, 1. Connect them by a smooth curve. Connect all these points by a smooth curve. What you get is an ellipse. You can hatch this at 45 degrees to the x1 y1. This is an ellipse. What you have completed? You have completed the true shape. This is called the true shape. You have completed the sectional plan, sectional elevation and the true shape. Now, when will you get the true shape as an ellipse? You will get the true shape if the cutting plane cut all generators and the cutting plane is inclined to the base. If the cutting plane cut all generators and the cutting plane is parallel to the base, you get a circle. And when the cutting plane becomes inclined to the base and cut all generators, you get an ellipse. Agreed? What is the major axis of the ellipse? Major axis of the ellipse is the length of the cutting plane through the cylinder. What is the minor axis of the ellipse? Minor axis of the ellipse is the diameter of the cylinder. Agreed? Okay. When will you get the biggest possible ellipse? The biggest possible ellipse is obtained if the cutting plane pass through A dash and U dash. The cutting plane pass through A dash and U dash, you get the biggest possible ellipse. What is the major axis? Major axis is equal to the diagonal of the rectangularish elevation. Elevational കാണുന്ന rectangle diagonal ആയിരിക്കും a major axis of the ellipse. Agreed? Thank you.